Hello everyone! So I'm going to make a small vlog or a big vlog, I don't know yet, about the pop-up store that's going to take place this Saturday. Now I have to go to the shop to buy some snacks, some toasts, some spreads, chips, and my mom will make brownies, and a very good friend of mine will make cookies. And then next Friday is another pop-up store at an eco market in Ghent. But yeah, I'm very excited for the pop-up store in Locristi in Belgium this Saturday, so I can't wait. And I've done nothing all day because I just want it to happen and I don't know what else to do, so I can't wait. It will be so professional. We will have a kind of photo booth. Hope you enjoy this video.
Wow, amazing. Bad over.
Yeah.
Maybe you're in Australia, maybe even on the coast, disguised in regalia and making the most of
So it was amazing, and there were a lot of friends and family of ours, and we sold quite a lot and we got some money, so now we can do some more projects, which is super awesome. And yeah, I'm kind of tired and I'm hungry, and now I want my fries because we're going to the fryery because we're very hungry. We had some snacks and brownies and cookies that were very delicious. Again, thanks to my mom and a good friend of mine, and also his mom made small toasts. So it was very fun. It almost felt like a birthday party to me. And also, like, in the meantime, selling the stuff I made this summer, so it was very fun. So yeah, now we're going home, and thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.